In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add MaxAI to Chrome. MaxAI is a helpful assistant that lives inside your browser, summarizing pages and videos, drafting text, and connecting with popular AI models. By the end, you'll have it installed, visible, and ready to use. First, open the official MaxAI page on the Chrome Web Store. You can use a trusted link or search the web store for MaxAI and pick the listing from the official publisher. Before you install, check that you're on the Chrome Web Store domain and that the icon and reviews match what you expect. The Chrome Web Store is the safest place to install extensions, and using it ensures you'll receive automatic updates. On the listing, click Add to Chrome. A small confirmation window will describe the permissions the extension needs. Click Add Extension to confirm. The download is quick, and when it finishes, you'll see a notice that MaxAI has been added to Chrome. Depending on your connection, it may take a few seconds, but you won't need to restart your browser. Now make sure it's easy to reach. Look to the top right of Chrome. If you see the MaxAI icon, click it. If not, click the puzzle-shaped extensions button, find MaxAI, and hit the pin so it stays on your toolbar. Pinning keeps MaxAI one click away, which is especially handy when you're multitasking with a lot of tabs open. On first open, sign in or create an account. After that, explore the AI sidebar and chat that follows you across the web, quick web page and YouTube summaries, and writing assistance for brainstorming or polishing text. From the sidebar, you can ask questions about the page you're on, pull out clear takeaways from long reads, or generate and rewrite drafts to match your tone. MaxAI also connects with models like ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, and more, so you can choose the one that fits your task. Most people are up and running in under a minute, and if you like a cleaner look, you can collapse the sidebar and reopen it from the toolbar icon whenever you need it. If Add to Chrome is grayed out, update Chrome and make sure you're on desktop. If the icon doesn't appear, check the extensions panel and confirm it's pinned. On managed devices, administrator rules may block installs. That's it. MaxAI is now set up in Chrome and ready to help.